Cider. Back home in Jamaica, we have OTET apple. Not them type of apple here, but what? We're not in Jamaica now. We're our foreign. So we're going to pick these apples. We also pick mango, guava, and June plum. Every season has its own fruit, right? And this is the season for pick apple. That was our tradition to pick mango. Now living in the US, this orchard is my tradition. Every fall, my family and I come out here to pick apples. Look at these beautiful apples. Come on. The trees every with fruit remind me of mango season. Same excitement, same comfort, just a different fruit. There's something special about walking through rows of trees, filling baskets and knowing these apples will turn into something comforting. In the kitchen, plenty people make their living from this by coming to America as farm worker to pick apples in the same orchard. Look at these beautiful apples. You get to pick your own apple. That's a nice one, right?
Yep, nice and big.
Let me know what's your favorite apple. Look at this big one. Ooh. Imagine if this was my farm. For me, apple picking isn't just about the fruits. It's about holding on to tradition. Creating new ones and finding comfort wherever you are. My favorite. Ready? So it was a good time spent with family, okay? Oh my God. We're on our way back home. Let me show you how to make these mini apple pies. I'm gonna start off with the pie crust. Add in 2 cups of all-purpose flour, ½ teaspoon salt, 1 stick of butter or 8 tablespoons. Now we're gonna rub the fat into the flour. Just breaking it up into the flour. And it's gonna start to feel nice and crumbly like sand, okay? Now we have some ice water. We're gonna add it to the flour. And I'm gonna add this gradually, okay? You're really just trying to get the dough together. Not much kneading, but just trying to bring the dough together. So overall, I use about ½ cup of water. See, you just want to bring it together. Don't knead it. Now we're gonna put this into the freezer, okay? So you can use about 6 to 8 apples, or it depends on the size pie that you're making. I'm gonna use 6. And I'm gonna use the tarty apples. I'm gonna take these to wash. So we're gonna peel, core, and chop, okay? All done. I'm gonna use half of a lemon. ½ cup pure cane sugar, ¼ cup teaspoon salt, some mixed spice. If you're wondering what's in there, nutmeg, cinnamon, orange peel, pimento, and ginger. And ½ tablespoon. 2 tablespoons cornstarch, or you could use all-purpose flour. And a little bit of vanilla extract. Combine this together. Smelling so good already. Now we're gonna put this to the side. Gonna cut this into half, okay? So 1, 2, 3. You know, we're not waste nothing, so I'm gonna re-roll this, you know. So you're just gonna continue the process till you get all your little circles, okay? So now we're just gonna make the little edges. Okay. So this is our little mini ant pie. In Jamaica we call this gizzada. If you don't want a gizzada, but like shape like a gizzada, right? After you shape them however you want to shape them, remember to poke some hole inside, okay? Because them will puff up on you. We're gonna pre-bake the pie shells first before we add the filling, okay? After about 6 minutes, we're gonna add the filling in. Back in the oven for 35 minutes. All done. And here you have it, guys. This is how I make my mini apple pies. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and also leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you would try these, or let me know if you had apple pies before. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do a taste test. Look at this. One for you and one for me. Listen to the crunch. Mmm. Mmm. To die for.
Nice.
Very good. Mmm. Now this is a nice dessert you have on a Sunday, huh? Here. And look at the bottom. How is it?
Nice, man. Nice.
Very nice. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye, guys.